Right, today we're going to bring a Kraken NZXT 280, and they have it ready for either Intel, if you guys can see, Intel or AMD. All right, so we got the fan set up, and we did put washers, because if you didn't put washers on it, it has rubber ends and the screw might go over, and don't screw it too hard or you don't want to damage the actual radiator. So we're going to set up an AMD on this one. So we got them all set up, ready for the bracket. Now this is an option on the actual system, because we're doing AMD. You could twist this part anywhere you want, any direction, but we're going to keep it as a default right now. Plug in all the connections that go into the water pump. Okay, snapped in, we're good. Do you feel it resting?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and put one on. Push it. Go. Let it go. Yeah, I feel it resting.
Okay.
Then do this one over here on this side. All right, out of the box right now, it's doing an update. As soon as we set it up, we turn it on. Just make sure you download the NZXT Cam, all right? And this is a great option to control lighting, effect, and also rotation of the actual display. We just finished it up. We're setting it up. Later down the line, we could change to RGB lighting if we want. Right now, we put dual integration. We put the CPU, GPU. You can change it to Fahrenheit to Celsius. It's mirror-like. You could add your own graphics to this, and also YouTube links to set up videos in here, to set them up as loops. Now, the system, we're still not finished yet. We're going to cover it up and set it up, but it's working very well. Right now, we have it at high performance. It's a little loud, but we're going to put silence in a bit. And we're just trying to do some benchmarks to make sure it's working properly. But on the software, you got a lot of options in the software. You could change interfaces to, in case you didn't properly set up, you could always rotate the LCD. You could turn it off. If it's too bright, you can make it brighter. You could do different lighting, different effects, different colors. And of course, you can always change the speeds. Right now we have it a custom, but we're going to go ahead and put silent. And you're going to see how silent it gets. But down the line, if you're playing like intense games, and it just completely went silent. And of course, temperatures in here. So in games, or you have it behind the box or behind your desk, you can always turn it up right now. But it went really silent, really quiet, really fast. Keeping the temperatures the same. I hope you guys enjoy the video.